So student, first we will start the first story, the first flight. And whose first flight we are going to read in this story? In this story we are going to read the seagull's first flight. Seagull is a bird. It is an aquatic bird. You would generally found it near sea areas. Near marine. It is a marine bird. So let's read the story. The young seagull was alone on his ledge. His two brothers and his sister had already flown away the day before. He had been afraid to fly with them. Somehow, when he had taken a little run forward to the brink of the ledge and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. The great expanse of sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down, miles down. He felt certain that his wings would never support him. So he bent his head and ran away back to a little hole under the ledge, where he slept at night. Even when each of his brothers and his little sister, whose wings were far shorter than his own, ran to the brink, flapped their wings and flew away, he failed to muster up courage to take the plunge, which appeared to him so desperate. His father and mother had come around, calling to him, shrilly upbraiding him, unthreatening to let him starve on his ledge unless he flew away. But for the life of him, he could not move. So student, you are here seeing that this seagull about whom we are going to read this story is actually live on a mountainous region, on a narrow hill, and ledge is actually the end point of a hill or of a cliff. Cliff means, student, all of you know that mountains, small mountains. So the horizontal self, the narrow horizontal self of a cliff is actually known as the meaning has been given here. Is actually known as the ledge. In simple word, you can understand the brink of that cliff. For flying, a bird can fly from anywhere, but a bird who is just learning to fly, they are the beginners who are at the beginning stage of the flying. They generally come to the end point, brink point, bank of something, and then try to fly up from there, like the brother and sister of this young seagull. So he also come like his brother and sister on the edge of the cliff, on the ledge of the cliff, but he does not able to gather the courage to fly, while his two brothers and sisters have already flown away, but he does not have courage enough to fly. And when his brothers and sister actually flew, they flew they flew actually the day before. They flew actually yesterday, and he had been afraid to fly with them, so he did not fly with them. Somehow, when he had taken a little run forward to brink of the ledge, he and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. He tried, he somehow he just come to the brink means at the end point, बिल्कुल आखिरी point जो होता है किनारे पे, somehow he just manages to come running to the brink of the ledge and attempted and tried to flap his wing for flying, but he is afraid, and that is exactly why he never actually flown. He never took off. He just remained on the ground, just like aeroplane, in the new pilots who just tried to take it off, but their courage just gave up and they never take it off. So the flight remains on the ground actually.